Today, we're going to learn how to create glass bottle ASMR AI videos. Let's get started. We're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment, and send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will suggest 10 ideas for creating the video, and we'll choose one and send the idea number back to ChatGPT. It will then create everything for us. Now, to create the video, we're going to copy the image prompt. Then, we'll go to the Google Flow website. We'll click New Project, then click here and select Image 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. We'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the image finishes generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 1 prompt. Then, we'll return to Flow, click here, and select Video, Frames 9:16, Omni Flash, 8 seconds, and X1. Then, we'll click on the image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. After the video finishes generating, we'll go to the last frame of this video and click Save Frame. Then, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 2 prompt. We'll return to Flow, click on the image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. And that's it. We've now finished the tutorial. Goodbye.